We all have sat in our studios with a jewelry design that needs nice straight wires. The success of our jewelry project depends on the wires being perfectly straight, but we only have wires that look like this. Maybe we can tap the wires with a rawhide mallet or pull them through a draw plate to make them straight. We try these methods, but the wires just are not straight and true. In this video, I'll show you 3 methods to make those wires perfectly straight every time. I'm Greg Greenwood. Welcome to my studio. Before you try to straighten any wires, you first must anneal the wires. The first method to straighten a wire is to roll the wire between hard surfaces. This works best with short, thin gauge wires. Here I'm using a 20 gauge or 0.81 millimeter sterling silver wire between my anvil and bench block. Works great for short wires, but what if you have a longer wire? The second method is twisting the wire into itself using a drill. You can use a hand or a power drill. Chuck one end of the wire in the vise and the other end into the drill. Start slowly twisting the wire until it is straight. The wire will get stiff and work hardened. Also, there will be a slight twisted pattern on the surface of the wire. Take this into consideration if you use this method. The third method I feel is the best and most successful method to straighten sterling silver wires. Anneal the wire first. Chuck one end of the wire into the vise and uncoil. Hold the other end with draw tongs or locking pliers. Brace yourself and pull on the wire slowly until it gets straight. I want to stop here because this is the point that many students stop. The wire looks straight, so it must be done, right? Wrong. The secret to perfectly straight sterling silver wires is taking one more step. Continue to firmly pull on the wire and you will feel the wire give and stretch a little bit more. This stretching aligns the crystal structures of the silver and makes the wire perfectly straight every time. This stretching method can be used on wires up to 14 gauge or 1.6 millimeters. Any thicker wires take more than hand stretching. Square wire can be straightened also. Make sure you keep the flat sides in line with each other. Half round wire or most shape wires can also be straightened perfectly using the stretching method. Knowing the secrets to straightening sterling silver wires can take your metalsmithing skills to the next level. Your projects will look more professional with wires that are perfectly straight every time. Thank you for watching. I'd like to invite you to check out my website, greggreenwoodjewelry.com. I'm Greg Greenwood, and I'll see you next time.